Hey everybody, and welcome to my very first YouTube video. I just wanted to come on here and explain a little bit about who I am and why I wanted to, make this YouTube channel. So my name is Brandon. I am the founder and crafter behind Arlington Leather Goods, and I really wanted to start this channel because 2.5 years ago, I was starting off in Leathercraft, and I learned a lot from people on YouTube, people on Instagram, and they really inspired me to help grow my craft and become a better leather crafter. And I want to pass that along. I want to inspire others to be able to grow as a person and grow as a crafter, because I'm passionate about this, and I'm passionate about helping people grow. So yeah, I'll just take a minute or so and explain what this channel is going to be about. I'm going to do some videos on some projects that I've made, some projects that I've done. I'm going to talk a lot about where I think you should invest in tools, like what tools you should spend more money on, what tools you can spend less money on, different kinds of leather like this vegetable tanned brown skirting, this vegetable tanned black English bridle, this maroon shell cordovan, like what the difference is, and where you can buy different tools and different leather as well that you see me use, you see other people on Instagram and YouTube use, and stuff like that. So I'm going to talk about what my favorite leathers, my favorite tools are, and that kind of thing, as well as projects that I've done, and basic tutorials on stitching and edge finishing and pattern making and designing and gluing, and how to put all that together into a project and stuff like that. So I'm just going to be sharing a lot of information that I have stored up in my head, pass it along to you guys to help you kind of have the easiest path to become a better crafter, a better person. And I'm so thankful that you're here. If you're watching this, thank you, and I hope you'll join me along this journey and learn a little bit. That's why I wanted to start this channel, was to help you guys learn a little bit. So thanks for being here, and teach you guys something soon, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks.